Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great and thank you so much for watching my video today. So today's video is going to be a concealer review. If you've read the title, then you would know I'm going to talk about the Swiss Beauty liquid concealer. So this has been on my wish list for such a long time and I don't know why I did not end up buying this. I mean, it's literally available everywhere online, also in stores. If you go to beauty center, they do have a Swiss Beauty counter as well, but somehow I couldn't get it, or I did not find it necessary to buy it. And also I'm not somebody who immediately buys something which is new in the market and review it because everybody is doing it. But this concealer received a lot of good reviews from my fellow bloggers, YouTubers, and for obvious reason that I have very bad dark circles, I wanted to give this a go. Also the fact that I always review affordable makeup, whether it's on my blog or on my YouTube channel. So I finally got my hands on it and today I'm going to review and talk about it. I'm also going to do a demo so that you can see how it works for me, and I will give you my final thoughts at the end of the video. So if this video interests you, please keep on watching. Before you do that, if you like my content, if you like beauty and lifestyle related content, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. There is a red button down below. It's absolutely free to subscribe at this point. Also there is a bell icon next to it, so when you click on that, select all. Each time I upload a new video, YouTube will notify you every single time. So without wasting further time, now let's get started. Okay friends, so I'm briefly going to talk about this concealer, its packaging, what does it claim to do, the number of shades, etc, etc. So first thing first, the concealer comes in a box like that. I think the packaging is really attractive, not bad at all. Now all the things, what does the brand claim to do is mentioned out here, which I'm briefly going to read right now. It says Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer. This concealer from Swiss Beauty lets you cover imperfections without looking covered up. It's easily blendable and buildable, giving you an even coverage with a luminous demi-matte finish. Ultra lightweight, this high-tech liquid formula never settles into fine lines and it melts on for a no makeup look while full coverage in an instant. So big claims out here. When they say doesn't settle into fine lines, well, we will see that hasn't happened with any liquid concealer in my opinion. So this is what the brand claims, and as I said, it is the ingredients list is mentioned here. It is a made in PRC product, so if that is something you would like to know. Now I did go through Nykaa just to have a a fair idea how many shades they have. I think they have only 6 shades for now, and I think it's been the same from the beginning. They haven't added any more shades, and I think Nykaa is pretty updated about it. So the shade that I have chosen is 03 Light Moen. So I've been very confused about the shade range because I feel there is not a perfect shade for me out here. So it comes in 6 shades and I've chosen 3 like I said. Now the price of this product is 229 rupees and you get 5.6 grams of product. Not bad, I would say. Now the thing about this concealer is that initially when it came out, I think it was highly marketed by I forgot her name, Nidhi Katiyar. She's from Cuffs and Lashes, and I think she used to give this concealer for like what 149 or 169. They काफ़ी सस्ता था, and with time I think because it became very popular, the brand kept on increasing the price. So currently it's 229. I got it for 206 rupees and I got it from Purple, so I'm happy for the discount that I've got. Currently it's again for 206 on the Nykaa website, and it has a 4.1 ka rating, so we will see how this whole concealer thing goes. So that was about the product. I would say I'll just briefly show you how the tube looks like. Nothing fancy. It's like a frosted bottle, and this is how it looks like, and the shade number is down here, but you will have to mention the expiry date here if in case if you lose this box, and it is usually for 3 years. So 3 years आपको मिल रहा है concealer use करने के लिए. I think that's not bad at all. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply this concealer especially under my eyes. We're going to test it out. Now to prep my skin, I've already washed my face and I have gone ahead and used Johnson's baby oil. I think that works best for me because my skin is not very oily and neither very dry, so I think that works for me. So can you see the sheen is already there on my face. So what we are going to do is this side of my face I'm first going to use a corrector, and for that I'm going to use a peach color lipstick because I don't have a corrector as such. I want to buy the Inside Cosmetics the complete wheel, which has a corrector, concealer, everything in that, and once I get that I will definitely review it on my channel. For now, this is an orange corrector I'm going to go for. So this side I will apply corrector, this side I won't. Or let's do one thing, let's apply this side. No, I think I should go for this side. So I'm going to apply it here and this side I won't, so it will be then pretty obvious, for me to understand that which side is better in terms of coverage. Now ideally, because I have very bad dark circles, I have to use a corrector most of the time, but I also want to see that without using a corrector, is it going to do a good job or not. So that's the reason why I am doing this, partition thing, like one side I'm using corrector, one side I'm not using a corrector. So that's that. I have applied the corrector. So what I'm now going to do is I'm simply going to apply the concealer on top of it, and I'm just going to do this. I'm just going to apply a little here and little here first. So I think if you go on the internet, people have a lot of theories about how to apply concealer. कोई बोलेगा triangle में लगाओ, ऐसा लगाओ, वैसा लगाओ. I think this is the best way, especially now that I'm in my 30s. I don't think so I need so much concealer that it starts creasing under my eyes. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a brush like that, and I'm simply going to apply it under my eyes. Now you can use your finger, you can use a sponge. I currently don't have a proper sponge, I need to buy one. So once I do that, I will be using it in my videos. Can you see, like, wow, the coverage is very good. Can you see that? So what I simply do when I apply a concealer is I take a brush or a sponge or whatever I have at that point, and I just pat it in and gently sweep it, because that's how I'm supposed to do. I'm not supposed to do like that, like that, like that. And whatever is remaining on my brush, I'm simply going to put it on my upper lid, because as you can see, I have pigmented eyelids. Alright friends, so currently this is the situation right now. If I look into the camera, it doesn't look bad at all, and I'm really surprised by this concealer. I'm going to go to the next this side of my eye, and I'm just simply going to directly apply it. I'm going to use a little bit more than that side, because I have not used a corrector. Also, I felt this side my dark circles are looking more darker than that side. So if you understand what I mean. So I'm again going to take the same brush, and I'm just going to pat it in. I think it's doing a very good job, I would say. I wouldn't say this concealer is giving me like full coverage, but the coverage is really good and it's buildable. However, I would say don't keep on applying too much concealer, because it kind of accentuates the lines under the eyes. I mean, camera pe itna nahi dikhta hai, but in real life, if you go out, it will look very prominent. Now there are ways to reduce the fine lines and make it work in a better way. I will do a separate video on that someday, and hopefully soon. So can you see the coverage is good, however there is a little bit of darkness peeping through. So this is exactly why you need to use a corrector. So if you are somebody of my skin color, कोई भी पीच कलर का करेक्टर चल सकता है, या तो फिर आप ऑरेंज लिपस्टिक यूज़ कर सकते हो. आई थिंक रेड इज़ अ लिटिल बिट हार्श फॉर माई स्किन कलर, so I wouldn't go for that. Okay, so this is what the situation is right now. Can you see it is giving me like medium coverage? If I look from far, it looks really nice and not bad at all. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my rest of my face with the same concealer. I think if I look into the camera, I don't really need a lot of concealer at this point, but little bit here around my mouth, if you can see, there is some pigmentation here. So I'm going to apply a little bit here and there, so that my skin looks even. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a different brush. I'm not going to use that same brush, but it's going to be like a tiny brush, and I'm just simply going to blend everything on my face. Okay friends, so can you see I've blended the concealer all over my face. I'm pretty happy with the coverage. Also, I feel that this is a good shade match for me. The next thing that you need to do when you apply a concealer is to powder your under eyes first, because otherwise the concealer will crease like crazy. So I'm using my Blue Heaven Matte Effect Compact Powder. I'm going to dip that sponge into the powder, and I'm simply going to press it under my eyes. I think this technique is the best, and it works best for somebody who has fine lines under the eyes. It makes no sense to apply too much of powder, because then it will start looking cakey. So I'm simply concentrating on certain areas of the face when it comes to patting the powder, and rest of the face I'm just going to sweep my brush into it, and I'm just going to lightly dust my entire face with this powder. Friends, so I'm done with applying the concealer and setting my face with powder. So this is how my under eyes and my entire face looks like. I think I'm pretty happy with the results at this point of time, and I think my face looks nice and flawless. I'm really surprised by this concealer. I'm really happy with it for now. So what I'm now going to do is I'm going to go off camera, do a little bit of makeup, and then I'm going to be right back and give you my final thoughts. Okay friends, so I'm back after doing some light makeup. I'm really pleased with how my makeup is looking today, very natural. I tried doing a brown smoky eye, so I've already filmed like a clip before this. If it turns out well, I'll definitely upload it on my YouTube channel. So let's talk about a concealer now. I think I'm pretty happy with how it looks on the camera. It looks pretty flawless. Also, it's looking a little bit shiny. My face is looking a little bit shiny right now because I am filming with the fan off. It's kind of hot right now, but I did powder my face and I did apply some blush from Swiss Beauty, which is quite glowy. So overall I'm pleased with my makeup. I am happy with the way my face is looking on camera. Now let me do a close-up check in my mirror. Now if I look closely, my dark circles are showing through. Like, let me come closer. Can you see that? So you need a little bit more than what it is, what I have applied during the course of the video. Also, if you sweat, and definitely ye chala jayega. So in that way you need to use like a setting spray and pack it in, and there are some steps that you need to do which I did mention during the course of the video. I will try and do a video like that in the future. So if I have to look in real life, the coverage seems pretty medium. ये full coverage नहीं है, आप इसको build up कर सकते हैं. If you are not somebody like me who has like very bad dark circles, then this could work really well for you. It works well for me as well, but then again I have to do certain steps like applying corrector and stuff, because that way only it will work best. Now they do have 6 shades, which I feel is kind of steep. I did find it difficult to find my shade, although I would not say very difficult, because I think the color that I have, my skin color, is pretty okay, and it is easy to find a foundation or a concealer. Unlike some of my friends who have deeper skin tones, they do have problem finding their shade, which brings me to the topic that most of the brands don't have a wide shade range. So I think Swiss Beauty should work on the shade range. I'm not sure if they have added more shades to the collection, but on Nykaa it showed only 6 shades. It will oxidize a little bit, to be honest. So it all depends on once you apply the concealer, like in which environment you're going to be. Are you going to be at home, in an office, in an air conditioned environment? Are you going to be traveling by train? Honestly, I've been born and brought up in Bombay, and I don't think so I wear like foundation or makeup whenever I'm traveling outside, say in a local train or a bus or anything like that. Makeup is a no-no in Bombay because the humidity is really bad. Also, I sweat a lot on the face, so it's a big no-no. But yes, if I have to get ready for a YouTube video, if I'm going for a party, for a wedding, definitely तभी तो थोड़ा बहुत makeup करना पड़ता है. Overall, I'm impressed with this concealer. If I have to rate it, I will rate it like 4 out of 5. It definitely needs a little bit of improvement, but considering ये जो इसका price है 229 और आपको 200 या उससे कम में मिल जाएगा, I think it's totally worth it trying this concealer. Also, I feel like I should buy one more shade and do a mix and match. I usually layer concealers, which means because I do not have a full coverage, I sometimes use 2 concealers, and that really works for me. So I will try it with a different concealer, and I will let you know in my future video. If I have to recommend this product, hell yes, I would recommend it. I think it's really nice, and ये price में आपको इतना coverage मिलेगा. I think nothing better than that. Also, I do not use foundation on a regular basis. I usually use BB cream or like a pan stick or something like that. So for me this really works. Like I can use it in my problem areas, like I use it around my mouth and on my under eyes, and I think the result has been pretty good. So overall I would highly recommend this concealer if you haven't tried it. Alright friends, so that is a wrap for today. That was my review of the Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer. I hope you found it helpful and useful. If you did, please go ahead and like this video, because when you like my video, it is shared to a wider audience on YouTube. That's how it works. That's how the algorithm works. If you have a social media handle, if you want to share my videos, please feel free to share there, and also tag me so that I know you're sharing my videos. It will really help me a lot and really help me grow my channel. I've seen a lot of people have subscribed to my channel recently. If you're watching my video, thank you so much for subscribing. Please stick around with me. So this is it for now. This was my video for today, and I really thank you for watching my video. I will see you all soon in my next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye.